Hey friends, who's hungry? These stovetop beef tips with onions, peppers, and mushrooms are slowly simmered until fork tender and served with a rich, silky gravy. To start, heat 2 tablespoons of oil in a large pot. Season 1½ pounds of stew meat with salt and pepper. Brown the meat on all sides, then strain out any grease. Add half a cup of diced onion, 1 diced green bell pepper, and 8 ounces of sliced white mushrooms. Sauté for about 5 to 7 minutes until the vegetables are tender. Add 2 cloves of minced garlic and sauté for another 30 seconds. Next, add 1½ cups of beef broth, 1 envelope of brown gravy mix, 3 whole pepperoncini peppers, and 2 tablespoons of butter. Bring the liquid to a boil, then cover, reduce the heat to medium-low, and simmer for 1 hour and 15 minutes. Remove the lid and let the liquid boil for another 15 minutes to thicken the gravy. Remove the pepperoncini peppers before serving and either discard them or chop them up and add them back to the beef tips. Then serve the beef tips over cooked egg noodles, rice, or mashed potatoes. Follow me for more recipes.